Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to online video lecture series of your coaching institute BCI Pulwama. This is our lecture number 11 regarding coordination chemistry. Beta previous lectures which is the rules for formulation of coordination compounds, and in today's lecture we are going to see what are the rules for writing the name of a coordination compound. See, there are some rules for the nomenclature of coordination compounds. Rule number 1 states that name the positive part followed by negative part. Irrespective of whether positive part is as simple or complex ion. Beta rule number 1 ch bilkul tithe ken it kenes formulation of coordination compounds maz wuch. तो obviously अगर यहाँ इस वनो तह कहें तिकाज फार्मूला मज already गोडनेथ positive part whether that is simple or complex ion. Rule number 1 च वना गोडनेथ यम सात nomenclature जस कत करो of coordination compounds गोडनेथ च नाव दिन positive parts cations च गोडनेथ नाव दिन and then followed by the negative part or the anion. And यथ रूलस मज च ब्याख चीज याद थवन, that is the name must begin with a small letter or small alphabet, and the complex part is named as one word without any space. यह बड़ा ज़रूरी ध्यान थवन योकन यम सातन coordination compounds अस नाव दिन आसे. Point number 1 is that we will name the positive part first, then we will name the negative part. The coordination compounds was positive part agar simple ion os, negative part as complex ion. Positive part agar complex ion os, negative part as simple ion. So whatever is the positive part, we have to name it first. Point number 2 is that the name of the coordination compound will begin with a small alphabet or a small letter, or we can say small alphabet. Point number 3 is that the complex portion coordination sphere that is named as a single word or only one word without any space. Suppose I have an example. We have it CuNH3 whole 4 and then we have SO4. Now this is a coordination compound. A coordination compound must complex part positively charged, your simple ion that is negatively charged. So as per rule number 1, we will name this positive part first. Yet godnik's positive part is just now. Dayim cheese chuananis now so start with small alphabet. So then misal ke taur par yach now we have to see the other rules as well. फिलहाल वन बा tetraamine T small, so tetraamine and then cobalt and then we have second and we have this is sulfate. ये वुचो अस टेट्राएमाइन गोडनेथ क्या दिस नाव मगर फिलहाल थो बेसिक गोडनिकस रूलस पर ध्यान नाव करो स्टार्ट विद स्मॉल अल्फाबेट दयिम चीज युस अथ मज कॉम्प्लेक्स पार्ट हियर इट इज कॉम्प्लेक्स पार्ट अथ कॉम्प्लेक्स पार्टस नाव टेट्राएमाइन सॉरी दिस इज कॉपर tetraamine copper second represents its oxidation state and this is named as one word without keeping any space anywhere kune shachana space havun kin akui kun season is a post complex parts now then we will see why did we name the ligand first and then the central metal ion या मे एडिटिव प्रिंसिपलस मज तुम वो नाव गोडने दिन लीगेंडन पे दिन नाव सेंट्रल मेटल आयोनस एंड दिस रिप्रेजेंट इज द ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ द सेंट्रल मेटल आयोन and then this sulfate is the complex ion this is the simple ionic now so positive partuk now yes yat maz a complex ion ch god ditus now positive partus whether that is simple ion or a complex ion name starts with a small letter and then after this the name of the whole coordination sphere or the complex part is written as a single word without keeping any space anywhere and then between the positive and negative part there can be a left space hekos thoda bahut atin trait magar complex parts hekones kune space trait ach kuni nav din likewise agar byak example banim say we have the example of K4 there it is FeCN6 yat complex maz positive part simple ion start gets now with small letter it is potassium and then use negative part yat maz that is complex part amuk now akui lekun we see its name is hexacyanido and then we have ferrate and then we see it is oxidation state that is second yahan wano is pata ye ferrate kya chus lekhan ye oxidation state kya chus filhal chhes godnik rules par dhyan thavan keep godne dutas now positive parts pad dutas now negative parts one dayim cheese now kores start with a small alphabet then use complex part atmas complex part of now sarsi equate lekun atmas gasne kune space asin this is rule number 1 to earth complex maz agar earth rule maz agar a complex asi use then we have for example the complex of this type ZnNH3 whole 2 and then Cl2 and this is a coordination compound which is electrically neutral yath machan positive to negative part kunesha zikri agar neutral complex ches kaat karo agar complex was neutral rule guys tithe can follow the name will be written with a small letter and then because yath machan positive to negative part kihin yath sarsi complex part as electrically neutral ch ath asi ak single name akoi nav asyat without any space tat maz asne space kuneshe for example this is diamino dichlorido zinc and then we will see it as oxidation state so oxidation state kya asyat maz that is zinc second perhaps I suppose so it is in +2 oxidation state agar yemuk nav asi lekhun chunki yath machin positive to negative part kihin yath sarsi complex part coordination sphere enclosed in square brackets yath asi akoi nav amuk nav asi it contain diamine it is dichlorido and then we have this is zinc and along with this oxidation state this is the name of this complex so this is rule number 1 I hope you understood it so let us move to rule number 2 rule number 2 for writing the nomenclature or name of the coordination compounds now rule 2 is purely for naming ligands how do we name ligands naming ligands कथ लिगेंडस क्या नाव दिन तम खतर रूल नंबर 2 रूल नंबर 1 मज वो गो दिमो पॉजिटिव पार्टस नाव पे दिमो नेगेटिव पार्टस नाव नाव करो स्टार्ट विद स्मॉल अल्फाबेट एंड देन उस कॉम्प्लेक्स पार्ट अत मज तथ लिखो अक सिंगल नाव विदाउट एनी स्पेस रूल नंबर 2 वन लिगेंडन खतर करो अलग कथ मेटल एटम्स खतर करो अलग कथ एंड देन कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ऑल द रूल्स विल हेल्प अस इन नेमिंग द कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड. So beta, when we talk of ligands, ligand can be negatively charged, ligand can be even positively charged, ligand can be electrically neutral. Neutral. This can be monoatomic, these can be polyatomic as well. So far as these ligands are concerned, we have the following types of ligands on the basis of charge. The ligand can be negatively charged, ligand can be positively charged, and then the ligand can be electrically neutral. Neutral ligand is now kitken the most positively charged ligand is now kitken the most negatively charged ligand is now kitken the most. This is important because ligand now along with the charge, this will help us in understanding the isomerism of coordination compounds, yeah, even the oxidation state of the central metal ion of the this coordination compound. So before I proceed to the conclusion of rule number 2, क्या वनान गोनेत वुचो अस negatively charged ligand हिंस कथ करो अस पत करो अस positively charged ligand हिंस कथ पत करो अस neutral ligand हिंस कथ common names क्या शिमन या जनरल नेम्स क्या तो कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंडन मज क्या नाव दिन तम खतर बनाओ टेबल तत पे करो कंक्लूजन. सो फर्स्ट वी विल नेम negatively charged ligands, but negatively charged unidentate ligands. Unidentate ligands. Now you understand what a unidentate ligand is, and I am telling you that first we will see the negatively charged unidentate ligands. A column बनाओ या table आग बनाओ. So we have the following types. The first one is यहाँ पे मैं लिखूँगा, that is we have first one, it is hydride ion. Hydride ion. Demis columns मस लिखो अस अमिच formula या symbol क्या आसस, that is H negative ion. शाबाश. Then हम पद लिखो अस अमिक charge क्या आसि, charge is equal to -1, and then यथ मज लिखो अस donor atom कुछ, donor atom is hydrogen, and यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे नाव क्या दिमो अस, it is hydrido. So there it is. Ligand formula or symbol. Shabbat. Then we have charge. Then we have donor atom. Then we have the name, donor atom. So आपका टेबल आख बनाओ अस यथ मज गोडनेथ लिगेंडस क्या नाव इन केमिस्ट्री, देन फार्मूला क्या, चार्ज क्या, डोनर एटम क्या, यह याद थवन तुम तो ब्रोह लगे जरूरत, एंड इस लास्ट किस कॉलमस में लिखान इट इज द नेम उस नाव दिन अगर यह मौजूद कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंडस मज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए लिगेंड. सो H negative ion अगर एक्ट करान एज लिगेंड, यानी हाइड्राइड आयन अगर एक्ट करान एज लिगेंड, अमुक नाव दिन हाइड्रिडो, एंड देन इट्स चार्ज इज इक्वल टू -1, द डोनर एटम इज हाइड्रोजन, इस कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड बनाए. देन वी हैव नंबर नेक्स्ट इज cyanide ion. Cyanide ion, it is Cn negative. शाबाश. charge is equal to -1, donor atom is carbon, and it is named as cyanido. So this is 1, 2, and then third one we will see is halide ion. अगर halide ion आसे act करान as ligand, that means F negative, Cl negative, shabash Br negative, या even I negative ion. General से लेखान इतकन X negative, and then X represents fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. The charge is equal to -1, and the donor atom is halogen itself, and then fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. It is named as halido or halo. Athikos naadit fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo, ya fluorido, chlorido, bromido, and then iodido. Then we have thiocyanate ion. That is SCN negative. The charge is equal to -1, donor atom is sulfur, and then this is named as thiocyanate. अगर SCNO मौजूद अमुक नाव thiocyanate. अगर cyanide ion ligand, so it is cyanido. It can be goidniks cases, daymis cases must be one hexacyanido. Cyanide ligand hexa stands for 6, and then cyanido ko we use now for cyanide ion. It's named as cyanido, but we name it in case of coordination compounds. Then we have next, that is isothiocyanate ion. That is NCS negative, and then nitrogen is donor. We have talked about the ambidentate ligands. This is actually one species here. Sulfur is donor atom, and here nitrogen is donor atom. And then we have the charge is equal to -1, donor atom is nitrogen, and this is named as isothiocyanate. ठीक है. So अगर NCS was act करान NCS negative was act करान ligand, we will name it as isothiocyanate. अगर SCN negative was, then it is named as thiocyanate. दशवनी है कोस नाव दि thiocyanate. Then we will see it in सातन से वुशो the case of some coordination compounds, they'll just linkage haven. So thiocyanate hyphen, then sulfur, it go thiocyanate hyphen, then we have nitrogen. But we can name it as also the thiocyanate ion, and then this is isothiocyanate. Then we have amide ion. We have amide ion. Amide ion is NH2 negative ion. The charge is equal to -1, donor is nitrogen, and it is named as amido. Likewise, we have imide ion. Imide ion, its formula is NH2 negative. Donor atom is nitrogen. We have charge is equal to -2. Remember it. NH2 amide ion special charge equal to -1, imide ion special charge equal to -2, and then in both the cases donor atom is nitrogen, and it will be named as imido. अगर ये मौजूद है अथवा नाम is imido. Likewise, we have acetate ion. So acetate ion, that is CH3COO negative, charge is equal to -1, donor atom is oxygen, and it will be named as acetate. So we have some of the ligands. Hydride ion, H negative, charge equal to -1, donor atom is hydrogen, it will be named as hydrido. Then cyanide ion, Cn negative, charge equal to -1, carbon is donor, cyanido. Then halide ion, X negative, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, charge equal to -1, donor is halogen, and then it will be named as halido, fluorido, chlorido, bromido, iodido, and then thiocyanate, isothiocyanate, amide ion, and then likewise we have acetate ion. चलिए यहाँ तक आप नोट करेंगे और यू कैन टेक ए स्क्रीनशॉट. नाउ दिस इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट कि तुम गस चार्ज आसन याद कत कूता मैक्सिमम स्पीशीजन चार्ज इक्वल टू -1 फिलहाल वो तुम चार्ज इज इक्वल टू -2 इन केस ऑफ इमाइड आयन एंड यू हैव टू रिमेंबर डोनर एटम कुछ मज मौजूद. दिस विल हेल्प अस इन आइसोमेरिज्म एंड आल्सो इन द कैलकुलेशन ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ द सेंट्रल मेटल. ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट पर मे वो अलग टॉपिक तुम कहें बिकॉज गोडनेथ वो सारे लिगेंडन मज कूता क्या चार्ज तो डोनर एटम कुछ. सो फिलहाल चलिए मूविंग ऑन विल मूव ऑन टू सम ऑफ द नेगेटिवली चार्ज्ड unidentate ligands and how they are named. So number next is oxide ion. Oxide ion, the formula is O2 negative, so the charge is -2, donor atom is oxygen, it is named as oxo. Shabash. Likewise peroxide ion, it is O2 negative, charge is -2, donor atom is oxygen, and then it is named as peroxo. Then we have other three important ligands. Number one is nitro. Nitro is NO2 negative, donor atom is nitrogen, charge is equal to -1, and then it will be named as such, it is nitro. Shabash. इथे कंच nitrite ion, nitrite. So nitrite ion is ONO negative, and then we have donor charge is equal to -1, donor atom is oxygen, it will be named as nitrito. This is very important to remember the name of the ligands along with the charge and the donor atoms. Beaches bhavana. Chaliye. Then we have sulfide ion. Sulfide ion, it is S-2, charge is equal to -2, donor atom is sulfur, it will be named as sulfido. Shabash. Likewise sulfate ion, SO4-2. Likewise we can add on. See, we have ample number of ligands, but we are writing the name of certain ligands which are of prime importance. Number next is sulfate. Sulfate ion, अगर याद आए तो flexidentate ligand मच में वोनमुत. Sulfate ion acts as unidentate as well as bidentate ligand. So if it acts as unidentate ligand, then we have the formula is SO4-2. Charge is equal to -2, donor atom is sulfur, it will be named as sulfato. चलिए, similarly if I have hydroxide ion, formula is OH negative, and then charge is -1, donor atom is oxygen, and then it will be named as hydroxo. It is named as hydroxo. The ligand is named as hydroxo. चलो चलो बेटा, यहां तक आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. यमन लिगेंड करियो तो प्रैक्टिस वार वार 5-6 at a time, and then you will remember the donor atoms along with the charge and what is the name of the ligands. You can add one more, that is nitrate. NO3 negative is nitrate ion, and here nitrate ion, the charge is equal to -1, and then donor is nitrogen, and it is named as nitrato. It is named as nitrato. So these were some unidentate ligands. You must get unidentate ligands. Even was addition charge was -1, addition charge was equal to -2. तो donor atom कुछ was तम खतर बनो stable आख तीन थे तो याद अगर हम ligand तो याद रोज coordination chemistry श पद बिल्कुल easy. So I put क्या conclusion करो. Now we will move to conclusion of the naming of the ligands. मे बासान यिथ कन हेको अस पॉइंट लिखित the negative ligands, this is rule number 2 ये बावन वाला चीज़ सुना, ligands end with O. Negative ligand is नाव च आसान च तिमन नाव च end गसान with O. For example यम तय वुनिक तान सारी हम ligands वुचो Cn negative was one में नाव, it is named as cyanido. Shabash. OH negative was one now, it is hydroxo. Shabash. F negative, Cl negative, Br negative, I negative, X negative ion agar act as ligand as one human now halido. You are seeing that the negatively charged ligands their name ends with O. Likewise SCN negative now one we have thiocyanato, and then acetate ion acetato, sulfate ion sulfato, oxide ion oxo, peroxide ion peroxo, and then amide ion amido, imide ion imido, nitrate ion nitrato, nitrite ion nitrite nitrito. So we get a conclusion that the negatively charged ligands their name ends with the name of the, it is actually the name of the negatively charged ligands ends with O. Besides that, the point number 2 is here the ligands with name ending with ITE, IDE, ATE are named by replacing E by O. Yiman ligand and last as ITE want, IDE want, ATE want. Nomenclature much zaruri E should I total number O use karon. Suppose one ligand, for example, we have sulfide ion using us. Sulfide ion symbol या formula S2 negative. The name ends with IDE. अगर ना वन we have seen इस पर table पे हम करा तो conclusion क्या दराओ. It is named as sulfido. Likewise, if I name, we have imide ion बात कर में. For example, imide ion formula NH-2. Ach now dun imido. Shabash. Ach last as IDE. Imide. If I can kun ligand, so this is about IDE. Agar ITE kun shayasi ligand now. For example, nitrite ion nitrite ITE. So nitrite locus one it is ONO negative. Now cadimos each replace karon by O6, so it is named as nitrito. ठीक है बेटा. Likewise, sulfate ATE at last as say for example we have sulfate ion, formula is SO4-2. Last ATE, each can replaced by O6. Now still sulfato. This is the conclusion that we derive actually from the table. Yeah, this is the rule that is employed while naming the ligands, negatively charged ligands, that the negatively charged ligands end with suffix O, and then the ligands whose name ends with ITE, IDE, ATE, carbonate, it will be named as carbonato, sulfate, sulfato, and then oxide ion, So IDE last aspect oxide, it will be named as, actually sorry, there are some ligands human khatar is IDE, but we have there, sorry, we have, this is oxide and is minus, name and with ITE, IDE and then ATE, the E terminal E is replaced by O. I hope कि फिलहाल इस लेक्चरस में चीज़ हन सेट है कि कित कन दिवान रूल पढ़े रूल नंबर 1 में पॉजिटिव पार्टस दिमो नाव पद दिमोस नेगेटिव पार्टस नेम विल स्टार्ट विद स्मॉल अल्फाबेट और स्मॉल लेटर एंड then complex part is named as one species without keeping any space. The rule number 2 was was immediately to the naming of the ligands. A table ag banois the table is the different types of unidentate ligands is negatively charged to now kya likho is theek cha. Tomorrow we will see some more ligands which will be positively charged and then the electrically neutral ligands, how to name them, and then we'll move to the other rules as well. Till then, take care. Thank you very much.